There and welcome to my Patreon page. This page is now just going to be for my recorded classes. So you can sign up for, and you will see it there, the it says Patreon Library Access Pass. I was just going to share my screen and show you. If I could just clean up my screen here. So there it is, Class Video Library Access Pass, and that will give you access to recorded classes. You can scroll and find them. You can choose them by collections, which is up here. You click on that and it'll have shop talks, colored pencil classes, etc. Or you can choose them by, for instance, putting something in the search box. For instance, horse. If I wanted to draw a horse, I could hit that, and my classes in graphite, colored pencil, etc. of drawing horses will come up. So that is what you get. There's a new live class. And by live class, I mean a current recorded live class, and another class are usually every month posted. So there should be 2 new videos each month. And sometimes it's something interesting, like if you saw the shop talk there. If you're interested in participating in live classes or mentorship or workshops, you can head over to lisarts.com, lisarts.com, or you can spell out my whole name there, lisadrbeck.com, and explore what I have going on there. And so that is my classes. I just wanted to point out that I do teach a little differently than some people who do a little more hand holding, and because I don't want to hold hands, I want to make you not need that hand holding. So I really teach art as a studio art class, where you're learning the art information to become the artist that you want to be in colored pencil. So that being said, I did go to the Corcoran School of Art originally for oil, but got my first box of Prismacolor way back when, and have been drawing with those for 40 some years. I find they can do everything that oil painting can do, and no brushes to wash. So all the teachers back when I was in art school had to be full-time artists and part-time teachers. So really that's me. I'm not a team. I don't have fancy background music and subtitles and editing and all of that. Just me teaching, but you will get a lot of information in the class. And then also, let me just switch my camera around for a second. You can just be looking right over my shoulder. So if you want to draw with me or similarly to whatever the subject is, we do wonderful things like drawing on black paper, drawing portraits, all sorts of subjects, animals, and other things, so that there's really a wide variety of classes for anything you may want to learn. So welcome. You can sign up for free and just get news and an occasional video, or sign up for the video access page, or go head on over to my website and check out what else is going on. But welcome.